Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to copy an entire page from one Canva document to another. So the process is surprisingly very easy. First, you have to select all the elements from the page that you want to copy. In this case, I'm going to copy this page and I want to paste that into this blank new page. It's empty, there's nothing in here. So what I need to do now is I'm going to select all the elements from this page. So there are two ways you can do that. You can use the click and then drag method. You can encapsulate all the elements and then you can start copying, or you can also press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A to select all the elements from this page. And after that, you can right click anywhere, it doesn't really matter, and you want to click copy and then go to the new document on the new page. I'm going to right click here and click paste. So we got the same design from this page, but now on a completely different document. But you might have noticed that the color is a bit different, especially the background color. You see, this has no background color, but the original document do have a background color. So that is one element that usually not being copied to a new document. But don't worry, background color is very simple. You can click on the background color of the original document, and then you can click the color menu, and we can copy the color code and apply that to this document. You can click the background color again and add a new color, right click and click paste. So now we got two identical page because they are exactly the same. But one thing to keep in mind here is that you cannot copy and paste this document to a new document that has a different dimension. So I have this rectangular dimension 16:9, and if I paste the document, you see it's not going to automatically adjust the size or adjust everything into a new format. So that's one thing to keep in mind. It's always recommended to just copy and paste to a new document that has the same dimension. So I hope you find this video to be useful, and I will see you on the next video.